Hey everyone! Today I want to tell you the story of how I built my very own Spotify player. But let's start from the beginning. Here is the deal. I have a terrible habits. When I'm working, I cannot stop skipping songs. I just have to, constantly. And since I just jump in between different PC or even remote machine, Spotify isn't always right there in front of me. Plus, I hate to break in my focus just to switch tracks. So I thought, what if I have something physical on my desk? Something I could just reach out and tap, without even looking. That's how this project was born. I used an ESP32 as a brain, hooked up to a 4-inch TFT LCD screen with a crisp 480 by 320 resolution. And for controls I added capacitive touch sensors, one for previous track, play pause, next track, and even one to toggle repeat mode. Because, let's be honest, sometimes you just want that song on loop forever. For extra flair I also threw in a couple of potentiometer, one for the volume and the other one for track seeking. And for the software side? Well, I went straight to the source, the official Spotify web API running directly on the ESP32. No middleman, no nonsense. After a few late night coding sessions, lots of trial and error, and way too much coffee, I finally had this little beauty, a compact Spotify player that lets me control my music with just a quick tap or twist. And before I wrap this up, a special thanks to my friend Giordano Nisi, who not only helped me design the case, but also 3D printed all the parts I needed. This project wouldn't look half as good without him. And now skipping song has never felt so satisfying. As always, thanks for watching.